Okay, hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show how we are going to fix this, what do we call this thing, doorknobs on a broken door. So first of all, we need to take out the old knob. So I'm going to show you how to take this one out. So firstly, what we will need is from here. When we buy a new one, there's going to be this thing. So when we open this, you can see there's this little metal thingy. So we're going to use this one. So usually an old one is going to be on here. So we can see on the side there's which this thing is it. So we can open it. You can see this. You can open this. So there's a hole behind this. So what you do is you just press behind this hole. At the same time you pull it out. So you pull it out. You see this hole? You press down and you pull it out. So that's all to open this. Next thing, you twist this to unscrew it. So when you twist this to unscrew it, there's going to be this little metal here which holds between this side and this side. So there's going to be a screw here. So you open that and you can just pull it out straight away. Easy. So the next thing is going to be this thing. This is going to be stuck here. So what you do, the same thing, you just unscrew bottom and top and you just take it out. So that's the process to take it out. So I'm going to show you the process to install a new one. Alright, so we have already opened this one. You can see, we open it. We just press this hole here. Remember to press the hole on this side, on the button side. Alright, don't press the hole on this side. It will damage this. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so the key lock is going to be on the outside. Yeah. Alright, and can you see it? And the button is going to be on the inside. Right, so this is the outside of the room. Okay, and this thing is going to be facing like this. You can see this angle here, so it can go straight. If it's the other way around, it will be stuck here. Okay, so it's going to be like this. So what we want to do now, we're going to screw this one first. So I've just got my screwdriver. I left it just now. Okay, so in here beside this metal we have screws, some type of screws. So we have this one, the pointy one. So this pointy one is going to be in here. So we're going to screw this in. Yep. One is in, bottom one. Alright, so that's done. So we're gonna put this one in. You can see on this side there's this thing here, right? So if we see inside here, there's this thing. You see this, like a T. So that T shape is going to be in this metal shape here. Right, so we're gonna put that one in. You see there? Can you see it? So it's perfectly in there. So when we twist this, you can see when I twist, this one is going to be going. See? So that's done. So what we want to do now, this one here is going to be this, the one holding it in between. So in the screw that we got, we have this one, the flat type. You can see it's flat, and this is pointy, so we're gonna use this flat one. So hold it from the back. Sometimes it's going to be, you can see inside there. Alright, one is in. Screw that one. Okay, and there's going to be one more down here. Right, so we gotta align it perfectly for the other side to go in, and then just screw it in. Alright, you tighten both up and bottom, just like that, nice and tightly. So here you can see that. So after that, we're gonna put this one. It's just going to make it nicer. Just screw it in like that. See? And now we're gonna put this one in. So this one, you see in here, there's like a shape. If you can see inside there, can you see it? Can you see it? Okay, inside there, this is going to go here. You can see this line, this empty space. It's like a shaft is going to be there. So can you see that? This, you see this flat one. So this is going to be like that. And then put it in, align the button. Yes, yep, nice in. Perfect, done. That's it. So it's working. See, this side can open. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial on how to install a doorknob, give a thumb up. Comment what should I do next for home videos, DIYs. Alright, thank you. See you again in the next video.